water here today, and there were a couple stuck hiding right under this log. And that's a really nice place to fish. This dead pine tree, little one there is an identifier. It's directly across from the ski alley walk-through to the beach, and is directly across from the houseboat. If you could see through that jungle right there, you would see the houseboat. So this spot right here, because we got some pretty clear water here today, outgoing tide, and you can see the fish swimming around that log. It's just a great fishing spot. I saw two monster snook come ripping out of there as soon as I pulled up. So I'll come over here and sneak up on him with a fishing pole and just maybe catch a snook right there by that. That log is totally buried in the water, and it's even the tide's even down a little bit, so it's a log nobody knows about. They come boating through here with a little bit too fast, too close to shore. They're gonna hit that. So we're gonna look at it one more time. Shut the motor off. Uh-oh. The tide's got me. I think I'm gonna end up floating into it because it's an outgoing tide. So I think I'm just gonna shoot into shore. Shut that off. And now I'll let the tide, since it's going out, let the tide take me past it. Maybe. I guess I'll get off. Now I'm on the south side of that log, looking at some more fish hiding in there, and the tide's gonna take me away from it. So much for 10/11/2021 on Ski Alley. Pretty clear water. It's a good day. Very nice. And if you walk the trail right through where that pine tree is, you'd end up, if you could hike and cut a trail, you would end up over there by the houseboat.